So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this gigabyte.com and you can see search here and then enter your model number which is you require the driver and then hit enter. Okay, and click on product and then click to HVS2 and then click to support. Select operating system because Windows 10, 11 both same. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, click to download. It is completed. Open and double click to and it's exe and then click to yes. Then next. Now this is installing. Okay, and then finish.